बोल अब स्टार्ट कर डाल.
Welcome to online classes KGBV Gandlapenta P Nafis Biological Science CRT. Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about a topic that is dialysis. Kidneys are vital organs for survival. Several factors like infections, injury, very high BP, high blood sugar leads to kidneys failure. Is there any solution to this problem? Let us know about artificial kidney, also called as dialysis. Dialysis is a process to remove waste products and excess fluid from the blood when both kidneys failure. Look at this picture. What are they? They are kidneys. In human beings, a pair of kidneys are there. They are bean shaped, reddish brown in color. Here you can observe that right kidney is present slightly lower than the left kidney. This is happened due to the liver occupied the space on right side. First of all, we know what is dialysis. Dialysis is a process to remove waste products and excess fluid from the blood when the kidneys stop working properly. Dialysis machine is used to filter the blood of a person when both kidneys are damaged. This process is called hemodialysis. This diagram shows that how the dialysis machine works. In this process, blood is taken out from the main artery mixed with anticoagulant such as heparin. In medicine, dialysis is the process of removing excess water, solutes, and toxins. In medicine, dialysis is the process of removing excess water, solutes, and toxins from the blood in people whose kidneys can no longer perform these functions naturally. This is referred to as renal replacement therapy. This first successful dialysis was performed in 1943. What does dialysis do? When your kidneys fail, dialysis keeps your body in balance by removing waste, salt, and extra water to prevent them from building up in the body. Keeping a safe level of certain chemicals in your blood such as potassium, sodium, and bicarbonate, helping to control blood pressure. Dialysis is a treatment that does some of the things done by healthy kidneys. It is needed when your own kidneys can no longer take care of your body's needs. Usually, but not always, some kinds of acute kidney failure, also known as acute renal failure, get better after treatment. In some cases of acute kidney failure, dialysis may only be needed for a short time until the kidneys get better. In chronic or end-stage kidney failure, your kidneys do not get better and you will need dialysis for the rest of your life. In your doctor says you are a candidate, you may choose to be placed on a waiting list for a new kidney. Dialysis can be done in a hospital, in a dialysis unit that is not part of a hospital or at home. You and your doctor will decide which place is the best based on your medical condition and your wishes. First of all, we have to know what is hemodialysis. In hemodialysis, an artificial kidney is used to remove waste and extra chemicals and fluid from your blood. To get your blood into the artificial kidney, the doctors needs to make an access into your blood vessels. This is done by minor surgery to your arm or leg. Sometimes an access is made by joining an artery to a vein under your skin to make a bigger blood vessel called a fistula. However, if your blood vessels are not adequate for a fistula, the doctor may use a soft plastic tube to join an artery and a vein under your skin. This is called a graft.